you watch my channel, you know I've been upgrading my sawmill, and part of that is getting a new foundation. It used to just sit on some concrete blocks, which, you know, you'd load a log on there and it'd try to fall off the blocks. So this is quite a bit of an upgrade. Now it's 20 feet long. It's just two pieces of 3x3 by 3/8 angle iron. So what I've done so far is I leveled up the pad, and then I've drilled 12 holes, and I've put in 12 4x4s. Then I got a laser level and marked a level mark on each one of them. Then I came back with a circular saw and I cut them off so that they should be, they're probably within 1/8 of an inch of one another, I don't know. I'll find out here in just a minute. And so now I've brought the rail in and I've set it on top of these. Except on a 4x4, I had to do that in order to get my forks out. So now what I've got to do is jack it up, get this 4x4 out and set it on the post. Alright, it's nice and level. Let me stretch a string and see how actually flat it is. Let me show you how I got these nice and flat, because if you've ever cut off a 4x4, you know you have to cut it from one side and then cut it from the other if you're using like a circular saw, because it won't go all the way through. So I made this jig right here, and so it fits on here like this. And then I clamp it on, and then I can run my skill saw, right, the flat part of it, right along here, and then go around and run it along here. So I made sure that these are exactly the same height on the jig. They've got to be perfectly square to this piece, so that when you clamp it on there, you get a perfectly straight line. And so then once you make your first cut, this is going to be the height of your blades. So when you mark your post, you just bring this board right up to that, clamp it down, and then run your saw across, and the blade will just slice it right in half. To hold everything in place, I drilled some holes through the steel and put in a 3/8 by 3" lag bolt straight down into it. Done that all the way down. Now y'all, it's getting really hot out here, and I don't like working out in the heat where I get all hot and sweaty and all that. So this might be the last sawmill video for the next few months until the fall comes. But once it starts cooling off, I will get the head up on here and we'll cut some logs and see how all this works out. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.